Kodie, your digital gift messaging app. Transform your customers' gifting experience with Kodie. Let your customers wish their loved ones with fun and interactive multimedia gift messages. Empower your customers to send video messages, Instagram-style photo messages, and text messages. Amazing text message ideas in Kodie are powered by ChatGPT. No more traditional gift notes. Kodie is the future of gift messaging. Why do merchants love Kodie? Access to post-purchase promotions. Merchants can run ads on customizable brand pages to re-engage the gift sender and the recipient to increase sales. Improve brand loyalty. Kodie provides a memorable gifting experience for your customers, resulting in brand affinity and loyalty. Stand out from the competition. Customers will remember the unique experience of sending personalized video and photo messages instead of traditional printed messages. Easy integration. App installation is simple and does not require any coding skills. Insights into gift revenue. Kodie's analytics can help you understand customer preferences and the revenue generated from gift orders. Insights into impressions and engagements. Kodie keeps track of customer interactions with the brand page, which can help you optimize the ads and boost traffic to your store. What are you waiting for? Download the app and let Kodie create lasting memories for your customers.